Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging from a YouTube creator's Etsy shop. Now, before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. I know y'all probably get tired of me saying that every video, but I just want you to know that I do appreciate all of you. So, this Etsy shop is a new Etsy shop. The lady who owns this is Mary from MerryMaking Crafts. That's her YouTube channel. And I will put all of her links in my description box so that y'all can go check out her YouTube channel and check out her Etsy shop if y'all don't already subscribe to her. So she's fairly new, I think, at her YouTube channel because I started following her when she first started her channel, and it was just back this summer, I think. I know she's not been a year yet, so, but her Etsy shop is even newer. I think she just started her Etsy shop maybe last month. But she has got some really cute items in it. But her Etsy shop is called MerryMaking and More. So, like I said, I will leave the links in my description box so that y'all can go check Mary out. So, I'm not going to flip it over because, of course, my address and her address is on the other side. But she's got this cute sticker on here, and she has got a QR code. So she has putty that she makes, and if you need help trying to figure out how to use it, you just scan that QR code, and it will show directions. All right, so I love this bag. It's extremely pretty and hard to get into. That's a good thing, though. All right, so let me pull everything out. All right, so that's everything in it. All right, and this is just a thank you and my invoice. And it says, thank you for supporting my small shop. Your purchase allows me to continue crafting and sharing affordable accessories with the diamond painting community. If you love your order, please consider leaving a review. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. And then she has her Etsy, her YouTube, and her Instagram right there. But isn't that cute? Very cute. And it's on the back of my invoice. So that's pretty neat. So that is what I ordered. So let's just go ahead and look at her little goodie bag. And she sent some candy that is so appropriate for Christmas. And I love that bag. I've never seen that color before. It's like a coppery brown. Very pretty. I'm going to bring y'all down so that y'all can see a little bit better. So she sent me some stickers. It's a pig and some rice. And it says, your dream is achievable. I like that. Those are so cute. Thank you, Mary. So, all right. So, in her shop, and I like that, she's got a thank you for your purchase. So, in her shop, she carries scented putty for diamond painting, and she calls it Mary's Mud. I thought that was so cute. But she has just so many different flavors of her putty. And she carries cover minders, and she's got some really, really cute cover minders. And then I think right now that is basically what she carries. So what I did is the day that I went in to get some of her stuff, she really didn't have a whole lot left. But she did have these Merry Mud samples. And I thought they were just so flipping cute. And she has named all of these. And I don't know how in the world she could come up with the names for all of this putty. That's just so awesome. But this one is called Cozy Cashmere. Now, on her Etsy shop, she has got these listed. And then if you go down and look at her description, it will say, you know, what she sort of, what it kind of reminds her of the smell. Like, you know, berries and whatever. So she has a sticker on them. And like I said, this is just the samples. She has the full size. But like I said, when I went in, she didn't have very many at all. But she had all kinds of these little samples. Now, I don't know if maybe she's out of samples or maybe she's not doing it any longer. This might have been a startup thing. But I don't know. So y'all just go check out her Etsy shop, because I'm sure with this kind of merchandise, she makes this. So I'm sure it's kind of time consuming and, you know, hard to keep it in stock to where, like a cover minder, you just buy a bulk of something. But, you know, with something that she's actually hand making, she's probably, you know, just out and just waiting for more. So this is called I can't talk. Cozy Cashmere. And it is brown with some darker brown swirls. Oh my God, that smells so good. It has like a kind of like a spicy but sweet smell. I don't know how to explain. It almost smells kind of manly, but not. But that smells really good. I'm glad I got that one. Okay, and then we got pomegranate cider. And I just love the, you know, I don't want to say weird because it's not weird stuff, but I do like weird stuff. But just, you know, not your everyday, you know, like strawberry or cherry. I like these different things. So pomegranate and cider. So it's kind of red. Oh my God, that smells so good. I wish y'all had smell-o-vision. So I can smell the pomegranate, and then it also smells like there's like a touch of maybe like cinnamon. Like if you smell, not a cinnamon stick, but like a red hot. It's kind of what it smells like. I like that one too. Okay, so we have flannel. She's very talented to be able to just, you know, come up with these names. Let's see. So flannel is gray. Ooh. That has almost like a... Now this almost smells like a man. But then there's like this undertone of like butterscotch kind of. Oh my God. You know, if I could find some cologne for my husband like that, I would. Yeah, that would be nice. So that's flannel. All right. So this is called Sweater Weather. So let's see. This one is kind of blue and white. Oh, wow. Oh, that smells really good. I don't know. I can't pinpoint what that would smell like. It almost smells, I don't know. That smells good, but I can't pinpoint. It's like almost on, it almost has like a, I don't know, I hate to say toothpaste, but I don't know. It has like a cool, like, almost eucalyptus smell, but not real overpowering. All right, and then my last one that I got was called Victorian Christmas. And y'all, these were only $2 a piece. So I thought that was a steal. So Victorian Christmas. Ooh, isn't that pretty? It's like green and red. Oh my. Oh my God. How do they come up with these smells? Oh my. That almost smells like a cinnamon, but oh my, like a clove. Oh, I love that. That has it does. It almost smells like cloves and maybe some cinnamon, and then I don't know why I want to say licorice. It does sort of smell. I don't know. Those smell so good. Oh, I can't wait to try these. And I just love the way that she's got the stickers and the names of them on there. These are so cute. Mary, I will definitely be back, girl. Those smell so good. Y'all definitely need to go check her out. And like I said, I will leave her YouTube and her Etsy shop in my description box. And like I said, I just checked her website right before I got on. And I know that she didn't have any samples, but she did have a whole lot of the regular size packs of her Mary Mud putty. I didn't look to see how much it was, though. I should have done that. But anyway, all right, so y'all leave me a comment. Let me know if y'all have gone and checked Mary's Etsy shop out. Let me know what y'all think of it. What do y'all think the smells are? If you got any of these, what do y'all think it smells like? So, all right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.